We hope that everyone in a good health and stay in a good condition during the outbreak of COVID-19. Okay, for today, we would like to share with you a meaningful information regarding the new experiences, challenges, strategy, and new knowledge gained from the business activity. Eatlah is an entity business established to provide food services. We came up with the idea to establish a business that serves a variety of food to customers is because we know most of the people like to eat, especially during the pandemic of virus COVID-19. We took out this opportunity because during this pandemic, the government has imposed a new regulation which is known as Movement Control Order (MCO). The new regulation restricted the citizens from going outside, and this has made them hard to find for food. So the business name Eatlah is providing various types of food such as nasi ambang, sambal goreng macingkia, donat, tahu bergedil, and popiah cheese. Besides that, most of our products are being produced and manufactured by ourselves. This because we want to create our taste toward our own product. We want customers to acquire a new taste by purchasing our product.
Marketing is one of the activities in business which to set the steps in creating, interact, deliver, and provide offer to the consumers and target market. The products of Eatlah such as the donuts, tahu bergedil, nasi ambeng, popiah cheese, and sambal goreng macingkia are gain the sales from the contribution of the promotion itself. Physical marketing can be defined as an approach used by the marketers to ensure the audience able to notice the advertisement. Eatlah have used the poster to advertise the food product. Such method provide a good startup to promote the products within 5 kilometers radius from the business center. Well, other than that, the digital marketing also becoming the top priority in the business due to the movement control order, or also known as MCO, is being implemented. The medium of Facebook and also WhatsApp become the most frequent social media that being utilized for business activity.
Operating hour of Eatlah is from 8 AM to 5 PM, while the operating days is from Monday to Saturday. Eatlah operational hour also been considered by all the members to make sure the operating hour is suitable with MCO, which is Movement Control Order, because of the pandemic COVID-19. So during the operational hour, we receive order from the customer. This is because some of our product is such as nasi ambang, tahu bergedil, and donut need to serve or send to the customer immediately. During MCO, we take the order from the customer by using media social platform like Facebook page and also WhatsApp. For customer that place their order after operational hour, we will place the order the day after because we need to confirm the quantity of the product to be produced. Then the product will delivered to the customer during operational hour. Second is method of sales. In our business, we have produced variety of product. When there are many kind of product, the selling method used is different between each of the product. We can classify our product into two group, which is need to serve immediately and can keep for a longer period. For the product that need to serve immediately, like our nasi ambang, tahu bergedil, and donut, we will cash on delivery. Process of cash of delivery or COD is our team will send the order to customer's house. It will easier for our customer to get their order because they do not need to go to our premise to get the product during the MCO. They just need to put and send their order as well as their address on our Facebook page or contact us on WhatsApp. Eatlah can do the postage or COD if the allocation can be covered for COD. This method of sale that we use during MCO help Eatlah increasing the sales.
Alright, so let's continue to our financial part in our business. So we have agreed that each of us have to contribute 80 ringgit as our capital contribution. The total capital contribution that we had is 400 ringgit, and then we divided into each member by according to the business that they run. So after the discussion among us, we have agreed that 30% from our capital contribution will be given to Syazwan, which the amount is 120 ringgit, while Amirul Nizzat get 25% from our capital contribution, which the amount is 100 ringgit, and Afif, Farhan and Nabil get the same amount, which the rate is 15%, and the amount is 60 ringgit as our capital to run our business. Alright, so let's continue to our sales record by the product. So at the end of our business, we have record our sales and profit by each member according to their product. The highest profit that we get is from Amirul Nizzat, which is he get 2,725 ringgit and 50 cent from only selling nasi ambang. And the second highest profit is Farhan, that he sell popiah cheese, and the amount of the profit that he get is 1,080 ringgit. And then the third is Syazwan. He sells sambal goreng, and the total amount of sales that he get is 622 ringgit. And the fourth is Afif, that he sells tahu bergedil. He get the total amount of 470 ringgit as his profit. And lastly is Nabil, which he sell donut, and he get 110 ringgit as his profit.
Every business should have the challenge and hindrance which increase the risk management of the business and also risk the sustainability of the business. Our business cannot run from the making mistake during the production process. We have received a few complaints from customer saying that the product served is not fully cooked and moldy. This situation become very challenging for us because we never experienced doing business and facing this critical situation. Besides that, our sales have been dropped due to the defective goods issue. This is because some customers have lost their interest and trust in our product. They are afraid they might obtain the defect product again if they buy our product. This experience has taught us a lot, especially on what to do when the customer react negatively in terms of defective towards the product. Other than that, challenges faced by Eatlah in fulfilling customer satisfaction caused by the last minute order by customer, and because of that, our valuable time to start the delivery process will be little late than actual time based on the schedule. This indirectly made Eatlah affect with the loss of customer trust in terms of the fastest delivery and consume time for production effectively. For example, to start fried a chicken for nasi ambang is required all the chicken to be fried together at the same time, but because of the late order made by irresponsible customer, the process of making nasi ambang will be delayed a bit because Eatlah need to buy more raw chicken to fulfill the shortage of raw chicken stock. Last minute order may not affect Eatlah production too much, but it affect the customer in large in terms of direct delivery time from original plan. Lastly, the challenge of delivery service while at the same time must obey the standard of procedure SOP during the Movement Control Order MCO. The new SOP to the delivery service provide a major impact on the order of product because of the new culture and the new protocol, and limits the distance between the deliverer and the customer, other than increasing the risk of disease infection. As a record, the total report the late delivery is 12 times for the period within 8 weeks of business operation. Every obstacle and difficulty must have the solution to reduce the impact of the hindrance. Quality control is the set of procedure to follow to ensure that the quality of a product is maintained and any error can be eliminated or reduced, meaning here our business being encountered defective product such as sambal goreng makcik Kia, which the customer found moldy on the chili. So, quality control is the one of the method to reduce the error during production process. For example, if previously our business cooked the chili manually, so to improve it, perhaps we can buy the machine. This is because when using the machine, all the product produced standardize its quality. Suggestion by Eatlah to improve customer satisfaction on by prolong the time taken for customer to place order. Prolong the time taken for customer to place orders. This can be implemented with post and advertisement 3 or 4 days early than usual to inform people that about Eatlah product being ready to sell. This can avoid a lack of time for customer to make a decision and decide what they want to buy from Eatlah. For example, our most colorful product donut had vast flavor, and this will make the customer take a long time to decide what flavor they want to buy. The suggestion to overcome the hindrance in delivery service during MCO are by providing the deliverer with basic self-hygiene equipment such as hand sanitizer, glove and facial mask. This equipment will ease the process of food delivery with a proper protocol and obey the implementation of the new norms in combating the COVID-19 pandemic. As a conclusion, the international business environment really helped in maintaining the business of Eatlah. The strategy introduced from the field, which is the social media platform in promoting the business, help Eatlah to apply the concept of raise the sales.